USA. Round one, fight!
All right, good morning, guys. It is tournament day. It is day one of the Western Wildcard Championship here. This is to qualify for the 2026 Bassmaster Championship. But I had 2 days of practice here. Didn't go too well, but I did find some fish here yesterday. All I'm looking for is 5. I'll be thankful with that, and then we'll try and upgrade. We got 8 hours to do it. Hopefully I can get lucky today. All I need is a chip and a chair. Thanks for coming along. Wish me luck. Yes, come on out. Yes. Woo. Yes. Let's put in our safety precaution. Stuck me. All right, 15.75. Let's go. Seemed to like the back and blue, added a bunch of scent to that. Thank you, Chris, for the few drops of nori's. I appreciate that. Keep this momentum going here. This is where I got my first punch fish. It'd be a huge confidence booster if I can get another one out of here. I imagine my arm is gonna be pretty sore by the end of this tournament. Came off, man, the rod came out of my hand. Oh, nice. Yes. I don't know what a mess. Oh no. Now that I woke up the whole river with that. Okay, not the biggest, but it's something. I get 14.5 out of you. Oh no. Ooh, and that is why you always have a net there. Come on, give me 14.5. 14.5. With this being a 2-day tournament, I really don't, well, I do mind, but size isn't as huge of a factor as just getting 5. If you don't have 5, you really can't stay in it, and you're done for day 2. So getting that limit's really important. I saw this branch move right here. Oh, nice. Come on, baby. Get out of there. Oh, damn it. All right, I'm gonna come back and get that fish. Watch. I have a feeling I should retie this. I'm getting some bites. I feel a lot better if I could get a couple more here. It's high tide. The tide is gonna switch soon, so I don't know how that's gonna affect the bite. I had a bite here yesterday, but I shook him off, so hopefully he's still here wanting to eat. All right, 8:19. Time is going very, very quickly. Got 2 in the boat. I'm gonna try and fish these little bushes right here in the trough before the tide goes down. I don't know, maybe just switch it up a little bit. Yes! Saw him on the scope. Hopefully it's a good one. It feels small though. But I will take anything right now. so they're in the middle of the channel here. Let me just take a picture real quick and I'll let you go. All right, 13 1/4, it's not the biggest, but it's a fish. I'll take it. Come on, baby, just give me 2 more. Yes. Please be a keeper. Oh, good one. Keeper. Yes, yes, yes. Stay on, baby. They were strong here. Yes. Not sure what to do now. I feel like I've made mistakes in the past couple tournaments by leaving. I see fish here. I still need to upgrade one more 13-incher. Maybe if I get one more 16, then I'll leave 15 or anything, actually. Okay, maybe I'll come back. Let me hit those spots before the tide gets too low. Yes. Oh. Come on, baby, stay on. Yes. Yes. Bait came right out. Oh, yeah. That's one of the right ones. Damn, look at this mess. That's the one I needed. Yes. 17 1/4. Let's go, baby. That's one I needed right there. Had about an hour or so. Come on, just one more upgrade. Let's go. Yes! Come on, out of there. Be a big one, please. I have them pinned. Oh, be a big one, be a big one. You look like a good one. Come on. Yes! Yes! Let's go, baby. It's not too big, but it's gonna help. All right, that is an upgrade. All right. 16 1/2. Let's go, baby. Still got a shot.